Okay, so I want to show you guys this. I'm gonna go ahead and run this. So as you can see, this is glob detection. So what I did was I recorded myself with a green screen. Then in Blender, I took out that green screen and did a alpha transparent. And what you're seeing right now is a glob detection. So look at that. Look at the boundary box. It is beautiful. It's stable. I've never seen boundary box that stable. So my theory is just to use something like this. So for the boundary box to detect a human. So that way it's stable and then you don't have to worry about any errors with that. So the boundary box of human detection is done for the human pose estimation. And the way it's going to work is you're just manually going to have to do it in front of a green screen. This is still cheaper than the full body detection using the sensors, but I can't do this through a computer. I cannot get something, the green box you're seeing, I cannot get something that stable with using any software or anything like that. The only way I was able to get this is through manual process of doing a green screen in the background, and then in Blender, taking out that green screen, doing alpha transparent, and that's what you're currently seeing. So this is the game plan in order to do it for Blender, because the boundary box is beautiful. So this part's done. So now I have the boundary box. The next thing to do is to figure out how do I get the human pose detection. So I'm really excited about the next steps. It's looking pretty good, doing some really interesting stuff. But so far right now, in order to do the human pose estimation, you're going to have to do a green screen and you're going to have to render it out as alpha transparent, set of images, and then import it into a software to then do the 3D pose. So it's a little bit of a steps, right? But in the long run, I'm trying to do a professional grade, a studio grade human pose estimation. So instead of animation, instead of animating, you just run it through a program. So because of that, there are going to be some extra steps. It's not going to be just something straightforward, unfortunately, but this is my current step. So this is good. So this is the first part. The second part is to do the features, to be able to grab 3D features that no matter how I move, it's able to detect and understand that. And the first steps is to try to get that with the monkey. And unfortunately, glob was not able to do it. So I need to research another software, another programming language, or another programming library that is able to do it. So thank you. Stay up to date. It's definitely moving along. And hopefully by next month, I'll be able to have something that can do the 360-degree pose.